Today we are reviewing Motorola Moto G 5G. This phone has the display screen of 6.5 inches. The display type is IPS LCD with 720p and 270 ppi with 20 by 9, which is about 81.4% screen to body ratio. This camera has front-facing camera megapixel of 13 megapixel. The internal storage is 256 gigabyte with micro SD expansion. There is no wireless charging available for this phone. For security options on this phone, you can use Fingerprint on the side or face unlock feature. The rear camera has a megapixel of 50 megapixel with 2 macro and 2 megapixel depth sensing. For this camera, there is portrait mode for both front and rear cameras and has the RAM of 6 gigabyte. The processor on this phone is MediaTek Dimensity 700 5G. The maximum video recording resolution on this phone is 1080p 30 fps for the rear and 1080p for the front camera. The battery capacity on this phone is 5,000 milliamp hour and the software capability is Android. With Motorola Moto G 5G, you have a great display of 6.5 inches and has internal storage of 256 gigabyte with micro SD expansion. This was review for Motorola Moto G 5G.